Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a Roku account step by step clearly. First, make sure you have a stable internet connection on your phone or computer. Open your web browser and go to the official Roku website at Roku.com. On the top right, click Sign In to open the account options. Select the option that says Create Account to start the sign-up process. On the form, enter your first name and last name exactly as you want it on the account. Type an email address that you can access, because Roku will send a verification message. Create a strong password using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Re-enter the password to confirm it and avoid typing mistakes. Choose your date of birth if it is requested for account setup. Read the terms and privacy policy, then check the box to agree. Click Continue to move to the billing section. If you want to add a payment method, enter your card details carefully. If you prefer not to add payment now, choose the option that says Skip or use PayPal later when available. Enter your zip code or postal code to match your billing location. Click Continue and wait for Roku to create your account. Now open your email inbox and look for an email from Roku. If you do not see it, check your spam or junk folder. Open the email and click the verification link to confirm your email address. After verifying, return to the Roku website and sign in with your email and password. If you are setting up a Roku device, turn on the Roku and connect it to Wi-Fi. On the Roku screen, note the activation code that appears. On your phone or computer, visit Roku.com/link in your browser. Sign in if asked. Then type the activation code exactly as shown on the TV. Click Submit and wait for the device to link to your new account. Choose your preferred channels or streaming apps when Roku prompts you. Review any optional paid trials and only confirm the ones you really want. Finish the setup and let the Roku device update if it needs to. Test the account by opening a channel and playing a free video to confirm everything works. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.